What are you looking for from the Fed for the decision and for the news conference?
So we are looking for a hike. That's 100% priced in. I think the big question for the press conference, as well as the dots, is what next? The market's priced for 1.5 hikes beyond this hike. We're also priced for 1.5 hikes next year. So I think the market's pretty well priced for the near-term path of Fed hikes and for the neutral rate. I think what I'd be curious for is how much does Chair Powell talk about overshooting neutral? You know, the dot plot implies this overshooting. Does he downplay it? Does he say it all depends on whether neutral's rising? But I think this sense of this overshooting, how do risk assets react if the Fed is significantly going above what sort of everyone believes is neutral? That's, I think, going to be the key issue. The other one will be, is there any pressure for them to go faster than what is priced in? I think inflation's not, I mean, it's picking up, but it's not going above target. And in March, the Fed actually did talk about overshooting this target inflation. How much are they willing to sort of tolerate?
I wonder how difficult it is, Anastasia, to sort of reconcile an appetite to overshoot neutral with an appetite to also overshoot your inflation target as well. How do you reconcile those two things?
I'm not sure that we're just seeing the Fed yet that is willing to overshoot on inflation or that is really behind the curve. You know, I think you're right, we are getting close to neutral, but in 2019, we're just barely going to start to get above that. So I don't see us meaningfully moving too much higher above neutral at this present level.